Paulas Choice-SKIN PERFECTING 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid Exfoliant is a facial exfoliant that is designed to target blackheads, enlarged pores, wrinkles, and fine lines. Salicylic acid, which is the active ingredient in this product, is a type of beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that is commonly used in skincare products to exfoliate the skin and unclog pores. It works by penetrating deep into the pore to dissolve the buildup of dead skin cells, oil, and other impurities that can contribute to blackheads, enlarged pores, and other skin concerns. In addition to its exfoliating properties, this product also has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits, making it a good choice for those with acne-prone or mature skin. It is recommended to use this product once or twice a day, after cleansing and toning, by applying a small amount to a cotton pad and gently sweeping it over the face, avoiding the eye area. It is important to note that salicylic acid can be drying and irritating to some people, especially those with sensitive skin, so it is recommended to patch test the product before using it on the entire face. Additionally, it is important to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day to protect the skin from sun damage, as salicylic acid can increase skin sensitivity to the sun.